Love never grows old. It simply changes shape. And after 60, it can become deeper, more meaningful, and beautifully romantic, if you let it. Welcome to today's video, How to Reignite Romance After 60. As we grow older, life often takes over. Children, careers, responsibilities. Slowly, that spark which once lit up our hearts begins to dim. But here's the truth. That spark never really goes away. It just needs a little air, a little love, and a little effort. Romance begins with communication, not about finances or daily routines, but about feelings, memories, and desires. Ask your partner, what makes you feel loved these days? Or, what can I do to bring a smile to your face again? These simple, sincere conversations help you reconnect emotionally and spiritually. You don't need grand gestures to reignite romance. A warm hug in the morning, a surprise cup of tea, or holding hands during an evening walk. These small moments are often more meaningful than expensive gifts. Sometimes a heartfelt "I love you" whispered at the right moment speaks louder than 1,000 words. Physical affection remains powerful at any age. A soft touch, a gentle kiss, a back rub. These aren't just acts of love. They're reminders that your partner is still the one. And yes, intimacy still matters. It may change over time, but it can become even more fulfilling. Less about perfection and more about connection. Creating new memories is just as important as cherishing old ones. Plan a little trip together, take up a hobby, or simply try a new recipe side by side. Shared experiences strengthen the bond and bring new energy to the relationship. Looking after your health and well-being boosts your self-confidence, and that directly impacts your romantic connection. Feeling good in your body makes it easier to feel open, playful, and emotionally present. Encourage each other to stay active, eat well, and laugh often. Instead of focusing on what's changed, celebrate what's still here. The years of trust, the deep understanding, the inside jokes, the comfort of being truly known. Romance at this stage is about depth, not drama. Words have immense power. A compliment, a kind word, or simply saying, "You still take my breath away," can warm the heart like nothing else. A partner who feels appreciated becomes a partner who wants to give more. Romance after 60 is not about reliving the past. It's about embracing the present and creating something beautiful for the future. You've weathered storms, shared milestones, and built a life. Now you have the chance to fall in love all over again, with each other. So take the first step. Reach out, smile, say the words, plan something together. Because love doesn't end with age. It matures, blossoms, and deepens. Closing. Scene. Peaceful music and visuals of couples laughing, holding hands, sharing quiet moments. If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartfelt stories on life, love, and growing beautifully with age. And remember, passion never retires.